What's up, everybody? It's Kyle11 here. Today we're going on an adventure to
Byng Island, I think. Byng Island.
Byng Island.
Yeah.
Got a shovel, mom, stuff, dad, and Kuya. And me. That's rough. That's rough. Alright guys.
Yeah, the birds.
We made it here.
They're so loud today.
At McDonald's. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like, comment, subscribe. 5-star rating. I appreciate all the love. New videos coming soon. We're gonna do a McMuffin review. Caramel.
I don't think any of mine are included.
So what'd you get?
What is this called? That's also a game of
What's art?
What did you get? What did you get?
Bacon English muffin?
Yeah.
And what do you put it on?
Jam.
What's that?
What'd you get?
It's hot. And brown.
What?
Look at her burger.
This and this. Half. And this for you. Ay, bakit parang may kagat?
Egg DLC.
Nakakagatan ko pala ba?
You cut it or
Tinagatan niya muna bago niya.
Yeah, egg DLC with hash brown.
Sige pa. Out.
Celebrities don't like this.
We made it to a stop. Yeah. I think there's a Porsche meet. It's there. I think it's a Porsche meet. There's a bunch of Porsches, older Porsches and newer ones. We'll check it out.
Hi guys, how are you?
I don't remember this Tim Hortons being this busy. I don't remember this area being
I don't. Say hi. Hi. I don't.
Wow. Wow. Michelle, wake up.
No.
Wake up.
No.
Come on. Come on, come on.
Why you got earphones in? This is family time. I actually looked. I was like, where'd he go?
I know you wasn't expecting it. You know I had to double it. Alright guys, I'm here to show off my skills. I'm a My name's Kyle Lapuz. I'm a 4-star recruit from Duke University. Damn. We made it to the pool. We made it to the pool.
What's up, MZB? Welcome to my crib. No, this is a 43 questions or whatever.
Oh yeah. So, what's your favorite anime?
Naruto.
Wish I could be
Part of that world.
Your water's
I wanna see him dancing, walking around. I know. What are you calling? What? Up when they walk, up when they run, up when they steal, Wish I could live part of that world. Hello everyone, my name is Kyle Lapuz. I'm 5'8".
5'8"?
I'm 5'9", 167 pounds, medium build, Asian male of Filipino descent. I'm looking to play the role of a dolphin. Okay. Thank you.
Hi everyone. My name is Julian. I'm going to be auditioning for Patrick Star for the role of Patrick Star.
Wait, can you give us statistics? You know stats? What's your stats?
6'2".
What the
Circle build. Filipino descent.
Oh, great. Okay.
Ready?
Hey, Tito, what's up?
Should we cheer?
Yes.
No.
less than perfect.
Woo!
Palay pa yan, ha? Tagal!
That's good.
I like the commitment. I like the
That's like
commitment.
this.
Four.
Why? Why?
Four? Because he was limping.
Running? Where is he? Swim! Swim!
Go, Kyle! Go!
Eh. Oh, I don't think that was there too.
He's good.
Okay, style. Oh, that was a lot better. That's better. Eight. So what we got is spicy tuna sandwich, broken spoon, bulgogi, rice, fruit platter, plate, rice, bulgogi.
Nandun ka, nakita ka.
What is it?
Boiled eggs.
Adobo, say adobo. Adobo.
Okay. I got myself a plate here. I got some spicy tuna. If you get the spicy tuna first, this is good. Adobo, some boiled egg, and bulgogi.
Ready, set, go.
Supper at the word. Supper.
No, dinner.
I heard
Not paracetamol. Not paracetamol.
Pain reliever.
The other one. The other one. For heart attack. Hey! Demand and
Plan.
demand and
demand.
Oh, kuya.
Kuya, brother. Kuya. Ate.
Joe in the Philippines. Kuya.
Kuya.
Germs.
Germs.
side.
Not the period.
Tama!
We can point to it. One of the finger.
At least you 9 seconds!
You got 4.
You got 4 and that's all he gets.
You got 4. Shit.
Ano yung not a period?
Set, go.
Madali yan.
When you feel sick and something comes out of your mouth.
Gaganong ka lang.
Yeah.
Nakaka-tense kaya.
When I want to talk to Kuya but on my phone.
Text.
Message.
Yeah.
Pwede mo sa ano yung nasa baba.
A kid.
Toddler?
Yeah.
A little person.
6, like at 6 a.m. Like
Morning.
Early?
yeah. Whoa. Me. I used to like
Yeah.
yeah.
How come?
Sorry. Mount Everest.
Mountain.
Yeah. What? These are so easy.
Pinipili niya madali.
Sunny, cloudy,
Angel. Weather.
No,
Hot?
no,
Summer?
Temperature.
Weather.
no.
June?
What is today's Fahrenheit?
Temperature?
No. Okay, it's a place in Europe.
Amsterdam.
Oh frick, I can't. It looks like a teddy bear and the nose is black and
Polar
big.
bear.
No, it's on a tree. Yeah.
Kuya! Why?
This will be me.
Model. Famous?
Yeah. What's that song called in The Greatest Showman? It's like a string thing and you.
Tightrope.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh god.
Unicorn?
Rhino.
Yeah.
That is good.
Right, Niagara Outlands.
My legs are stiff.
Yeah, my body hurts. But we're here, so it's okay.
Alam mo, di ba sabi nga, pag nakapagpatawa ka ng isang tao, malaking bagay.
Alright, guys, we're gonna do a mall haul review.
These are what I came here with.
Me too.
Party!
Flip it over.
We made it. We're at Niagara. Outfit change.
He's already the eagle.
She's not very melted.
No, malamig.
I got wings. Oh, gotta play this first. Gotta give y'all a bite.
Kaya, sabi ka mo
Yummy.
long hair churros.
What the
Long
heck?
hair churros. Long hair churros. Long hair churros.
Yeah.
I'll run.
Nothing here.
Oh, there's nothing here?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Oh wait, that's a dead end? Yeah. How do you know?
Because you can see it.
Oh. I'm sorry, just had to touch it.
Help!